In France, they have an apple cake with no recipe. They throw together a batter, they cut up some apples, throw them in a pan and bake them. It's more apples, a lot more apples than batter. It sort of looks like an apple pie, but much easier. So let's get started. First step is take a stick of butter and brown it until the milk solids are a little bit brown. You have a nice nutty aroma. We're gonna add just a little bit of allspice to this. We're cooking the apples in the same skillet we use for browning the butter. Take about 12 minutes. Near the end, we're gonna add a little bit of cognac, brandy. Then we let them cool and move on to the batter. That's the melted butter. I'll add the flour and the baking powder, and I'll just fold that in. All you have to do is add the apples. Now this doesn't look like it's destined for success, right? It's a very thick batter. There isn't that much batter, and there's a whole lot of apples. But that's what makes this cake so great. 9-inch springform pan, buttered and lightly floured. Sprinkle with just a tablespoon of sugar. 375 oven for 35 to 40 minutes. It's done. You should let it sit a couple hours. Then you can unmold it, run a knife around the inside. You know, it is like an apple pie, except that you have the brown butter in there and you have other flavors, and the apples have been caramelized a little bit. A little vanilla, a little spice. It is really good.